Hi, during this week, we're going to be covering gender and bias. I'm sure you're wondering, how does gender or bias enter into literature? It does. And you're actually going to be taking a look at how bias can impact how a person views a passage or how a person is able to interpret a passage, and the role or importance of gender when reading a passage, whether it be gender bias or the role that gender plays in a particular passage. Actually, during this week, you're going to finally meet me in person, which I'm very excited about. During the next week, you're going to be talking about communication and perception. Sometimes the way that we communicate is not at all the way that we intend to be perceived. So I like to call it sender and receiver. So the way that we send a message sometimes isn't the way the person receives it. For example, using 3 words, I love you, can be said so many different ways. You can say, I love you, or I love you. And the way you communicate that is really, really important, because the way you say it, it can be perceived so many different ways. So that's what we're going to be covering this week.